Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon Prime Video login issues, verification and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct Amazon account email or phone number that is linked to your Prime Video subscription. Next, carefully retype your password and check caps lock, keyboard language, and any extra spaces before or after the password. Then, if you forgot your password, select Forgot Password and complete the reset using the code sent to your email or SMS. After that, open your email inbox and spam or junk folders to find the verification code, because it is often filtered automatically. If the code does not arrive, request a new code and wait at least 60 seconds before trying again to avoid temporary blocks. Now, verify your device date and time settings are set to automatic, because incorrect time can cause verification failures. Next, switch your internet connection by moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data or another network to rule out network restrictions. Then, restart your modem or router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. After that, fully close the Prime Video app, remove it from recent apps, and open it again. Next, restart your device completely to clear temporary login and authentication glitches. Then, update the Prime Video app from the App Store or Google Play, because older versions can trigger access errors. After that, update your device operating system, since security components required for login may be outdated. Now, clear the Prime Video app cache in your device settings if you are on Android, and then try signing in again. If you are on iPhone or iPad, uninstall the Prime Video app and reinstall it to refresh stored login data. Next, if you are using a browser, clear cookies and cache for Amazon and Prime Video sites, then reopen the browser. Then, try an incognito or private window to test if extensions or saved cookies are causing the verification loop. After that, disable VPN, proxy, or ad blocking tools temporarily, because they can trigger suspicious login detection. Next, try signing in on a different device or browser to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. Then, check if Amazon services are experiencing an outage by searching Amazon Prime Video down and reviewing status reports. After that, confirm your Prime membership or Prime Video subscription is active and not expired in your Amazon account settings. Next, go to Amazon account settings and review login and security to ensure your email and phone number are verified and current. Then, if you see a security alert, follow the on-screen steps to approve the sign-in attempt or confirm it was you. After that, check your payment method and billing address, because payment verification issues can limit access to Prime Video. Next, review your household or sharing settings, because too many devices can trigger access restrictions in some cases. Then, sign out of Prime Video on all devices from your Amazon account devices page and sign in again on your main device. After that, if you are getting a not available in your location message, confirm your country/region settings and avoid VPN usage. Next, contact Amazon customer service through the help section and provide the exact error message, device model, and steps you tried. Then, keep your verification method ready, because Amazon support may ask for identity confirmation to unlock the account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.